the best quick queue ever. Do you agree? You enter on the exit platform. That is awesome. I can't think of any ride where you enter on the unload platform for quick queue. We got full POV this time. Oh, right through the load station. Yeah, it's unseasonably hot for the end of March. Even for Virginia, it's pretty nice day. Hopefully we'll get a good interaction up here with Invader. We gotta do that again. That was too good of a quick queue. I'm sorry, but that was awesome. Weirdest long flume supports ever right there, I gotta say. What was Aero thinking? Yeah, you should look at all the bridges. It's ridiculous. Hi! Coaster Spotting on YouTube! Oh! Thank God for, oh God, I didn't put my waterproof case on. If I should be okay. I'll just keep it high and I should be fine. High and dry. That's what I say. Can we get an Invader, please? Nope. We gotta ride it again just for that. Good interaction. Oh, I wish I had a charge cable, man. I could have charged yours. You just used USB, right? Dang. Hi. Woo. Whoa!
Oh, the water's cold.
Oh, it's cold.
Oh, crap.
Good shots of Invader. It looks better than it actually is, though, unfortunately. Awesome view of Alpe. Too bad that it is currently, like, dragging ass through it. Oh, theming. Hashtag theming. Hi.
Did you just say hashtag?
Yes, I said hashtag theming. We're okay. We're okay. Kind of. Hi. Whoa! Wow! What the heck is this thing? Ah! The little ones always get you the worst. Oh, I want an Alpe. Oh man, I want an Alpe right here so bad. Look at that view of Alpengeist. Nice. Oh, it's been repainted recently, hasn't it? Looks fresh. I don't think this year, but definitely recently. Alright, we'll get dried off. We're probably going to go it again, try to get better views for you guys.
We're doing Invader.
But we're going to go do Invader. I'm going to try not to talk so much so I can give you a full POV. Yeah.